Welcome to today's video. Today we'll be showing you how to work your washing machine. Hopefully if you have the same as mine, it should be like this and this, but that's probably one of the old washing machines. So yeah, so what you want to do is just check your clothes in there and check everything, and then check your socks. So yeah, once you stuff all of that up, you close it. That'll be good for good. Towel, ding ding ding. So what you want to do is, normally, like it depends what kind of family you are. If you're single, you probably go do quick dirty. But if you're like a family that has a baby, you probably do baby care or cotton. But if you're like from 4-year-old to 18-year-old children, you should go to either quick dirty or either hand wash rule. So all you do is just point out that 57 minutes, and you don't want it on cold, so I would probably get 40 degrees and 1000 spin, yes. And then yeah, that should be it. And then all you do is just press start, and then you get a washing machine liquid, which I'm gonna get this Dynamo. That just sounds good. So what you wanna do is you pour it a little bit, you hear me? Little bit in, okay? That's one done. And then you have to pour a little bit in here, the middle one, you see? Just a little bit. And the last one. A little bit. Okay, that's all I'm gonna put. Then you close it. You close here. So this. Close it. And then basically your washing is now getting washed. So all you have to wait is 1 hour and one, then your washing will be done. So hopefully your washing should be done. And 3, 2, 1, it should like start making lots of noise. So see you in the next video, in the next days if you see me again. I will laugh.